How to unpublish a Wix website. So in order to unpublish your Wix website, I have in here the dashboard of my site right there. Now in here, you can click onto this edit site option, but into your home dashboard, you can also see these three dots, which is the site actions. Into this, you can see you can view your live site, duplicate, or move this to trash if you would want. Now, if you do want to unpublish, you can click onto this search history right here. Search in here for unpublish. And then in here, you can see this under the tools and settings. So click onto this right there. And then this will direct you to the part where it will allow you to unpublish the site. It's under the settings right here and going to the website settings. You can see that currently right now our site is published. Let's head over and click onto this button right here in order to unpublish it. And once you have done that, your site will be unpublished. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.